Routine maintenance is an essential requirement to keep your high-pressure pump efficient. The execution of maintenance operations must be carried out in compliance with the safety requirements described in the Use and Maintenance Manual. Always make sure that you have disconnected the pump from the power and water supply, and that you have discharged the system pressure. Dirt, debris and limestone can obstruct the internal orifice of the solenoid valve over time. Remove the solenoid coil by unscrewing the fixing ring nut. Remove the housing with a wrench and check the condition of the water orifice and the other components. Blow with compressed air to remove any impurities, and if present, remove the limestone scale with a non-aggressive descaler. Reassemble the housing in succession and then the coil. In case of difficult fouling, component damage or coil damage, replace the old solenoid valve with a new one. The control and maintenance operations of the low-pressure solenoid valve, i.e. the inlet solenoid valve, are similar to those described previously. There is a membrane disc in the low-pressure solenoid valve. It is located inside the valve body, which you can access by removing the top. After carefully removing the disc and checking its condition, if necessary, clean both sides. Also, for this type of solenoid valve, in case of difficult fouling, damage to the components, or damage to the coil, replace the old solenoid valve with a new one.